So you're searching how to build channel history on YouTube. Here's the quick answer. You need time, consistent uploads, good viewer behavior, and a lot of patience. But what if you don't have months to wait? Stick around. There's a smarter route you probably didn't know about. Channel history is what YouTube looks at before unlocking advanced stuff. Not just your videos, they track your activity, how often you upload viewer interactions, how your content performs. Even what devices you use, it's their way of deciding if your channel is trustworthy. Until that trust is built, you're locked out of the good features: links, live streaming, custom thumbs, and more. The issue is, this process isn't fast. Even if you start uploading regularly today, you might still wait weeks or even months before things unlock. Some creators keep uploading and get nowhere. Others get flagged for random behavior and their progress resets. And let's be real, if your channel lost access once, getting it back can be a total headache. That's time you could be spending growing, monetizing, or creating. Here's where smart creators take a different path. Instead of starting from zero, they look for channels that already have a solid track record. I'm talking about channels with clean, stable activity, history already built in, features already available. No waiting, no wondering. Just plug in and go. It's like getting a head start while others are still figuring things out. These channels didn't get access overnight. They earned it through steady growth over time. What you're doing is starting with that groundwork already in place. You're not skipping steps. You're just not wasting time doing them all yourself. The history is already baked in, and once you're in, you can create freely. No restrictions, no missing tools. So if you're tired of waiting and you're serious about getting started with everything unlocked, check the pinned comment. I've got options with real history, ready to use. Start ahead, not behind. Want access to fully enabled channels with clean history? Let me know in the comment.